Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, 1inch network, currently trading for $0.57. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for this altcoin? We saw 1inch go from as high as $7.7 in May 2021. Right now in the bear market, it's down more than 92% from its all-time high. Where are the key levels we should pay attention to as 1inch is going to pump to higher prices in the future? In this video, we'll also be looking at 1inch performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at 1inch market cap. Currently at $354 million, 1inch market cap got to as high as $1.3 billion in December 2021. How high can it go by the next bull run, and where should we be selling our 1inch by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, the point of recording this video, we're still in the bear market of 2022. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year. 1inch is down 90.5% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, still down 6.3%. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for 1inch? 1inch was launched in December 2020. We saw it rally from as low as $0.77 to as high as $7.77. 1inch went up more than 900% in 132 days. From December 2020 to May 2021, a $1,000 invested in 1inch will have returned over $9,000. Altcoins pump when the market is going to the moon. When the market's in easy mode, you want to be holding some altcoins because they can pump well to the upside. But the flip side to that is that when the market starts tanking, when we start going on our markdown phase, what will happen? Altcoins dump really well to the downside. In the case of 1inch, we first lost 78% from the all-time high we set in 72 days. 1inch dropped to as low as $1.62. Before 1inch trying to set new all-time highs, we saw Bitcoin going to $69,000. Ethereum was trading above 4,800. 1inch trying to set new all-time highs, we saw it got to as high as $6.99 on October 2021. That's the highest 1inch got in the end of 2021. We couldn't take out the high we set in May. After that, 1inch has been dumping to gobbling town because from October 2021 to October 2022, 1inch has lost more than 92% of its value. 365 days it took it to tank really hard. 1inch is at the lowest we have seen it since when it was launched. What's our pathway to a new all-time high, and where important resistance level you want to pay attention to? The first level I'll be paying attention to in this bear market will be the $0.55 level, because guys, if this proves to be the bear market bottom for 1inch, if you get $1 worth of 1inch at the point of recording this video, when 1inch is trading for $0.57, if 1inch gets to the previous all-time high we set in 2021, 1inch will have to go up over 1,200%. And your $1,000 invested in 1inch should return over $12,000. That's if you just get to the 2021 all-time high. Now, we'll be talking later about how high 1inch can go in the nearest future, but you also want to pay attention to this important level again. This is very, very critical for 1inch, the $0.89, $0.9 level. As we're trying to rally to higher prices in August 2022, we got rejected off that level. This is a very key level for 1inch. Right now, we're in the bear market, so you expect all these altcoins to don't give us that giga pump that we're looking for. But guys, at some point in time in the future, greed will return back to the market will start pumping to higher prices. If we take a look at what 1inch was doing in the past, when it was launched around $2.8, we saw 1inch dump to that $0.90 level, and that's where 1inch caught a bounce. Even when we were dumping to gobbling town in 2022, by May 2022, we saw 1inch consolidate around the $0.9 level. We have gotten rejected off that level right now. At some point in time in the future, 1inch will try to go above that $0.9 level. Maybe we'll get rejected and we'll have to consolidate again, or maybe we'll just blast through it. But this is a key level you want to be paying attention to throughout the bear market. And that level I'll be paying close attention to for 1inch will be the $1.6 level. Now, if 1inch start getting towards $1.6, heading towards $2. I want to pay close attention to that level. Why do you want to pay attention to that level, guys? In 2021, after 1 inch went to an all-time high of around $7.7, 1 inch started dropping. We had a mini bear market in June, July 2021. 1 inch found support around that $1.6 level. As we're dumping to gobbling town in 2022, 1 inch was meandering around that level. We couldn't hold that level well, and the last time we saw 1 inch trading above the $1.68 level was in April 2022. After 1 inch lost that level, 1 inch went down to lose 74% of its value. So you want to pay close attention to what 1 inch do at that $1.68 level in the future. If we get above that level, we are meeting the real resistance level. This one might hold us down for quite a while, maybe till the start of the next bull run, but the $3.56 level is going to be critical for 1 inch. If we're going to be going to all-time highs, guys, this $3.5 level, we need to blast through it with a lot of conviction. If you look at what 1 inch has been doing around that level, when we're pumping to new all-time highs in 2021, that level was acting as support for us throughout the bull run. When we had that mini bear market in 2021, that level was acting as resistance. We went above it in the ending phases of the bull run in October, quickly went below it. We couldn't stay above that level for more than a month, and since when we lost the $3.56 level in November 2021, 1 inch lost more than 84% of its value. Now for 1 inch to get to that $3.5 level from where we're currently trading, we have to see 1 inch go up more than 532%. If 1 inch can get above the $3.5 level, then we'll be going for the previous all-time high. I'll pay attention to what 1 inch do around $6.2. That $6.2 has been where 1 inch has been rejected 1, 2. This all-time high, it was a fake out. We got above the $6.2, $6.3 level, but you can see that even when we tried to break to new all-time highs in October, we couldn't close a candle above that level. Now to the $1,000,000 question: how high can 1 inch go by the end of the next bull run? Guys, using my favorite tool, the Fibonacci retracement tool, from the top that came in for 1 inch in May 2021 to the bottom that's coming for 1 inch right now. If this proves to be the bear market bottom, according to Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see 1 inch trading around $31 by the end of the next bull run. From where 1 inch is currently trading right now, for us to get to that magical $30 region, we have to see 1 inch go up over 5,000%. That's a 50x return on your investment. It means $1,000 invested in 1 inch right here should return more than $50,000 if we get to that $30 region. Let's take a look at some details about 1 inch. In the last 1 year, we've seen 1 inch gone from as high as $7.55 to as low as $0.51. With a market cap of $354 million, 1 inch has a fully diluted market cap of $858 million. Out of the total supply of 1.5 billion tokens, we have over 621 million 1 inch in circulation. Currently ranked 94 on CoinMarketCap. Where can you buy some 1 inch? The 1 inch network unitized decentralized protocol which synergies enables the most lucrative, fastest and protected operation in the DeFi space. The 1 inch network first protocol is a decentralized exchange aggregator solution that searches deals across multiple liquidity sources, offering users better rates than the individual exchange. The 1 inch aggregate protocol incorporates the Pathfinder algorithm for finding the best path across over 240 liquidity sources on Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimistic Ethereum, Arbitrum, Fantom and Gnosis Chain. Where can you get some 1 inch if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? Guys, you can get this altcoin on Binance, on FTX, on Huobi Global, on Qcoin, on Coinbase, on Gemini, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoin. If you take a look at what 1 inch has been doing against Bitcoin over the years, when the market was pumping, when the market was going to new all-time highs, when Bitcoin was in new all-time highs, 1 inch outperformed Bitcoin by more than 460%. After that, 1 inch has been dumping really hard against Bitcoin, and this is why you want to be careful with altcoins. A lot of people try to use altcoins to multiply their Bitcoin, but right now, if you bought 1 inch at the top when it was pumping, 1 inch is down more than 85% against Bitcoin. And from 1 inch to go to new all-time highs against Bitcoin from where we're currently trading right now, 1 inch we have to outperform Bitcoin by over 455%. If you take a look at 1 inch performance against Ethereum, it has set new lows in this bear market. When 1 inch was launched, we saw it dump really hard against Ethereum, losing 79% of its value. Then it tried to rally to higher prices, going up more than 321% against Ethereum. After 1 inch thumped against Ethereum in February 2021, 1 inch has not been able to set new all-time highs against Ethereum. We have seen it drop really low in the bear market, losing more than 90% of its value against the biggest altcoin in the bear market. And for 1 inch to get to new all-time highs against Ethereum in the future, we have to see 1 inch go up over 827%. One Ethereum investment in 1 inch right now should return over 8.2 Ethereum if 1 inch can get to the previous all-time high it set against Ethereum. If you take a look at 1 inch market cap, the highest we saw the market cap get to was in December 2021 when the market cap was around $1.3 billion. Right now, the market cap is at $354 million. For it to get back to that all-time high, we have to see 1 inch market cap go up more than 288%. And how high can 1 inch market cap go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool on 1 inch market cap, we can see that 1 inch can get to as high as over $5 billion by the end of the bull run. You can see that by the end of the next bull run, guys, there's a very slight chance we can see 1 inch market cap get to as high as over $5 billion. The market cap will have to go up 13x, 1,300% increase on 1 inch network market cap. Is that possible? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to be adding more 1 inch to your moonback portfolio? Do you think 1 inch can come back, recover all the losses we have had in the bear market and set new all-time highs? Can it go higher than where we were on the 10th of May 2021 when we saw 1 inch trading above $7.7? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2, 3.